G'day guys, Sammy here, thanks for joining us. Now I've got another little tip video for you. This one's how to change a rod tip. Now the top runner on a fishing rod, this guy here, it seems to be always the one that gets broken or squashed or something like that. It's the smallest, it's the most fragile, and it's the first one that gets jammed into the roof, I can tell you that much. Now a lot of you already know how to change a rod tip, but for the benefit of those who don't, it's a very simple process. So I've got my demo rod here. I broke this many moons ago, but I'll show you how to change this tip. We'll take it off and then we'll put it back on. So the first step is to get that old runner off. So pretend this one's broken. What we want to do is remove it off the blank. Now we're going to be using a lighter to heat it up, so exercise a bit of caution with the lighter and give it about 10 seconds to heat it up. Now it might take you a couple of goes to actually heat it up enough, but you'll know it'll just slide straight off once you get it right. That's looking like a go now. So grab your pliers, off she comes. So what you've effectively done there, apart from me not being able to talk properly, is you've melted the glue underneath and you've been able to pull that runner straight off. So we've got our runner here, it's off. Now you can buy new runners from BCF, you can also buy the glue to put them back on with. So we're going to use the Fuji glue, it's the correct glue to use. Open this guy up. Now I'm going to cut the video here and allow this a quick second to cool, so we're simulating a new runner. So join us in a second and we'll put it back on. Okie doke, so that's cooled down now. Now I can put it back on. So what we're going to do is we're going to heat up our Fuji glue, and that won't take long. Now I'm going to put some inside the runner there. I'm also going to put a little bit just on the top section of the tip. Okay, now let's slide that runner on. Now that's starting to set, so what we can do is just give it a quick bit of heat there, just to remelt that glue. That's going to help us slide the runner down nicely. Now when it's in position, you will notice there'll be a bit of glue on the outside. That's fine, we can trim that off later. The important part is to get that runner straight. So line it up with all the others, put your eye down the line, make sure it's nice and straight. I'm not sure if you can see that there, probably a bad angle, but it's nice and straight. Now we'll give that a second to cool, and then we'll just peel this glue off. Wipe it on our rag, peel it off, allow it to cool, and there you have it. Simple as that. You've got a brand new runner on the top of your rod. You're ready to go fishing again. Alright guys, have a good one.